Hi, I'm Bob Horseshoe-Simmons. I'm the chair of the School of Humanities and Civic Engagement. So the majors in our school are political science, English, classics, and English education. A binding emphasis of the programs in our school is on promoting thoughtful, contextualized approaches to life with efforts to better understand others across cultures and times and to pursue meaningful professional and personal lives through which we can make others' lives better too. The programs in the school are also bound by highly marketable skills that all of us emphasize: communication, writing, critical thinking, understanding and working with diverse people, and aiming to understand and celebrate the broad human condition. These all tie into the sorts of jobs that students in the programs in our school tend to pursue after Monmouth. Among many of these possibilities are work in the law and legislative service, teaching of all sorts, museum directing, librarianship, editing and publishing, urban planning, and a host of others. I also teach classics here, and one thing I'd like students to know about classics is that it provides a perspective on everything. We have courses on things like sports, engineering and technology in the ancient world, love and friendship, and of course, history and languages. So whatever one thinks about in the modern world, it's there in the classical world too.
I'm David Wright, professor of English here at Monmouth College, and to my mind, English at Monmouth College forms one of the most welcoming communities students can imagine. Our students work with one another, they teach one another things about themselves, they write, they read, they think, they create, they're scholars, and that work together, I think they become great literary citizens, the kind of people who can thrive in almost any field. We have people in dozens of fields that have come out of our program.
Hi, I'm Mike Nilsson, a professor of political science here at Monmouth College. For over a century, our political science program's expert faculty and our fantastic alumni mentors have guided students to successful careers in law enforcement, working in politics at the Illinois State House and beyond, foreign affairs, teaching and researching politics. Our students live great lives and change the world.
Hello, I'm Kevin Roberts, and I teach English education here at Monmouth College. One thing I'd like everybody to know is that you get to take my English 270 course, Young Adult Literature. You can meet the pig man, you can fight a chocolate war, and it's great reading for everybody. Hope you can join me.